only cost me $8 US. $8 US. I got the coleslaw, the pigtail, the rice and peas, all of it. Hey Glam Crew, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to voice over some parts of this video because the music was going. It was good. Just like this food was going, it was good. So stay tuned, watch the full video. Let's get into this review. So I'm trying to find some Belizean food, y'all. Is that what it's called? Belizean food. I got a lot of compliments on this swimsuit. Everybody like, where you get that? Shein. $9.99. $9.99. Y'all. So I don't know what kind of food I'm gonna get, but I want like authentic Belizean food, but I don't know what that is. All right, Glam Crew. So this is my meal that I got at the Old Belize restaurant here at Cucumber Beach. It is a non-traditional Belizean meal, but it is a popular dish that is typically served in Belize. And it has stewed beans and rice, and it also came with plantain and the pig's tail. Yes, Glam Crew, I am eating pig's tail. Now, if you already got high blood pressure, you just might want to sit this meal out because it is very salty. Very, very salty. I don't know what they feed in these pigs, if it's normal. It's salty. I even Googled, why is it so salty? Because I was about ready to take it back. But then I realized this is just how it is. They boil it multiple times and a long time so that they can reduce the saltiness, and then they like braise it or stew it with other ingredients. So I didn't realize that. So let me just tell y'all, it is a little salty, and that is just how it is. But the meat, very, very flavorful once you get past the salt. Very, very tender. I didn't have a hard time chewing it. This is good. I'm tearing it up. Okay? I was doing the happy dance. Y'all see me? I'm doing the happy dance. The rice was right on point. Beans right on point. I would rate this meal a 9 out of 10. And it's only that one little notch down because the salt. I'm not used to a lot of salt, y'all. Not at all. But I'm tearing it up. You can literally just put the pig's tail in your mouth and just suck the meat away. That's how good it is. Take a look at it. Now there is a little bit of, I call it the back fat on there, and that's okay. Just eat it all. Don't even worry about what you're eating. I have never had pig's tail before. Never would have expected me to eat this, but I am enjoying it. I have ate pig's feet and just not my thing. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. But this tail, I like it. I like it a lot. In Belize, there are traditional foods and popular dishes. Rice and beans with stewed chicken. Then there is a popular breakfast item called fried jacks, which I kind of think is pancakes. It's like dough and it's a little sweet and they fry it up until it puffs up. Kind of like a little pancake. And then for seafood, there is conch. Mm-hmm. Who doesn't love that? Ooh. But there are many other dishes that are popular and what you would call traditional or iconic here in Belize. They also have a fish stew called a garafuna. Garafuna? I think I said that right. But y'all, I'm just so happy to be here and eat this good food. I am blessed for this experience. And yeah, if you get an opportunity to get out to Belize, try this pig's tail and let me know in the comments, would you ever eat pig's tail? Have you ever ate pig's tail? And how did you prepare it or eat it? Let me know in the comments your experience. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Yeah, right there. That's when the saltiness was really hitting. Like that one little tail was just horribly salty. The other ones were mildly salty. Oh, and somewhere along this same little cucumber island, so this is a man-made beach, not island. It's a man-made beach. And there are a lot of different areas. It's so much space here. I didn't feel like it was overcrowded. But there was a spot that said, beware of stingrays and reptiles. I'm quite sure that those are caught and ate as well. It's the Caribbean. You got the ocean right there, fresh seafood. I would love to one day get a grilled lobster right out of ocean. So look at my hands, y'all. Like, I tore it up. One thing about me, I'm gonna eat good and I don't care who looking, what they gotta say about what, because I'm gonna eat. That's why I am Big Nikki. I enjoy life. I enjoy good food, good times. Now the wind is starting to blow, but we gotta hurry up and finish this. It's almost time to go. And I'm just dancing, happy, dancing, eating, and dancing, and happy. Like I said, 9 out of 10 recommend affordable price. You get a lot of food for $8, $9. You cannot beat that. And there were other food options. So if you don't want Belizean food, there's more American foods if that's what you like. Go subscribe right now. Thank you. I almost forgot to mention that this particular restaurant, everything was like buffet style. So if you don't really prefer buffets, I wouldn't eat here. Now, it wasn't open buffet where everybody was just coming up and getting it. The workers would make your plate, but the food was sitting out for some time. So if you're going to eat this, definitely grab it early on when they start serving versus getting the bottom of, what's left over. But it was delicious still. I am not complaining. Just a little tip, hints, hint. I almost wish they had some collard greens with this, but it is what it is. And I showed you all the menu so you can see what other options they have, and it had the prices. Again, you get a lot of food for the amount of money that you pay. I was looking for some napkins, but the wind and blew all of the napkins away, y'all. I'm hot. I'm full. Yeah, I'm ready to go lay it down. Drink me a little water and chill out.
I like your headband. Thank you. I can't remember. I got it in Dubai.